welcome back to the channel. We're at Avis Budget here in Orlando Airport on the B side. I'll just give you guys a quick walk through some of the aisles here. Thanks everyone for watching. Go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, and we'll start things off here with Lexus ES350 F Sport. These are under budget fast break. And we got a couple minivans here. We got one of these Kia, the new Kia Sportage. If we go down the other side, actually, there's somebody coming through with a new Pathfinder. Okay, so this is budget fast track. Let's do budget and Avis in the same video. It's basically the same company. So we'll kind of just go through some of the budget here, and then I'll get you into Avis. Sorry, I thought this is my first time through here. I thought we were starting with Avis. Okay, so that's more budget. Now we're starting to get into Avis, preferred service. Okay, why don't we walk down here and we'll just do a couple aisles here. We've got an ES350 F Sport, Lexus. We've got a Rogue Sport, Outlander Sport, Mitsubishi, Chevy Traverse, Chrysler Pacifica Limited, Kia Optima. Oh boy, this makes my job so much easier with all the names on the back here. Outlander, got a Corolla, got an Altima, got a Mustang, just the EcoBoost, Kia Soul, got a Nissan Pathfinder, and we got a Ford EcoSport. That's what the small ones are. We got a Toyota 4Runner. Trying not to get run over here. We got a Corolla. This one looks a little bit older. Kia Sorento, Toyota Prius Hybrid, Acura RDX, SH all-wheel drive. We got a Camry here, and this has got a lot of cars actually. They got a bunch of cars down there. I won't bother going down there, but we'll just kind of continue over here through another one of the aisles. We got a Camry. We got a Jeep Compass coming through. Got a Santa Fe Sportage, another 4Runner. We got a Corolla, Kia Soul, a couple of them here. Kia K5. Now these spots are marked a little bit different. I'm not sure how this works here. S1413, got a RAV4, Subaru, and we got a Kia. And this looks like a Highlander, Toyota Highlander, Honda CR-V. Got a Kia K5. I don't know if that's. I don't think that's a K5. Might be. Got a Nissan. That's probably a Sentra. We got a Camry, we got a Lexus. Actually, take a quick look at this Lexus here, see what this is. Oh, okay, great. Another ES350. I'm going to take a look at the mileage. 10,000 miles. We got some people coming through here. There's another Mustang convertible over there. We'll go down the other side. We got another one of these Kias. Got a Gladiator coming through. We got a Corolla just in behind that. Another of those Lexus. Got a Nissan. I think that's an Altima. Camry. Got one of these Buick SUVs. Got a Mazda SUV. We got a Range Rover Discovery. Got a Ford Edge, a little banged up here on the side. Got another Lexus SUV. We got another of these Kia K5s. Santa Fe. Sportage. Got an Explorer. See if I can get through here to the other side. Honda HR-V. Got a V6 Camaro. We got a VW here. And we've got another Kia K5. RAV4. Got a Ford Edge, we got a Wrangler. These are all marked preferred spots. Versa, Nissan Versa, Pacifica. We got a Toyota Sienna. Anybody looking for something different for a minivan? We got a Pacifica, Outlander. We got a Cadillac XT5, Chrysler 300. Another Wrangler. Some notes on the side. Camry. Looks like a Genesis. G70. I'm just noticing the wheels are all detailed here. I'm just going to take a look, see if any of these are new. If they're not, they are locked. Avis doesn't trust us, I guess. Avis preferred. We got another Enclave. Got a Kia, a couple Kias, a minivan, GMC. Got a Ford Edge Titanium. This is Chrysler Voyager. Got a Malibu, Camry, Honda Accord Sport, not a hybrid, just the regular one. Got a Ford Explorer Limited. We got another Altima. Got a Corolla LE. Got a Chrysler Pacifica. Kia Forte. We got a Toyota TRD. A V6. We got a Charger, Dodge Charger. This one's got some notes on the side. I'm not sure. Actually, a bunch of these have notes on the side. Got another Mustang. We got a newer Pathfinder. And one of these Lexus F Sport NX 300. And we got a Kia Sportage. And I think that's going to wrap things up. Just kind of walk down to the end here. This just kind of seems like random overflow down at the end. I don't think those are assigned spaces, just more cars coming through. But thanks everyone for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. If you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and hit that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next update.